This video is for the 7th grade website project. Assignment 1, create a home page. First, your partner should be on the website template. So what you're going to do is click on File up at the top, click on Make a Copy, and then click on OK. From here, what you're going to do is share the copy of the website template with your partner. So you'll click on Share up in the top right corner. And then you'll type in your partner's email address and click on Send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to just type up what you're going to do for your homepage. So you want to include at least 4 sentences that tell the topics that you'll be teaching about. So anyway, here's an example. So you can say for your first sentence, welcome sentence. Then you want to tell your 2 topics, like where your social media posts can go even if they're deleted. We can teach you how to screenshot a snap and where your Instagram photos are stored. So include at least 4 sentences that tell the topics that you're going to be teaching about. Be very specific. Anyway, next up, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to go to Weebly.com. Make sure that you spell it correctly. Then what you're going to do is click on Sign Up in the top right corner and click on G+ Sign Up. Next, you're going to click Allow down at the bottom. And then what you're going to do is you're going to choose the modern and elegant theme style. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to check the circle next to use a subdomain of Weebly.com, and then what you're going to do is just type in the name of your site. So for example, we could do your names and then Snapchat tips, but it has to be something that hasn't already been taken. So when you see the green check mark, then you know you're okay, and then click on Continue. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to delete some of the extra pages because you have these 5 extra pages. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the shop page. Next, we're going to click on Pages up at the top, and you're going to click on Shop on the left-hand side, and then you're going to erase where it says Shop and then simply type in Welcome. Next, what you're going to do is click on the little arrow toward the top left corner, and you're going to delete these extra pages. So you're going to click on Home, click on Delete, then click Delete in the window that appears. You're going to repeat that by clicking About on the left, click Delete again. Click Blog, click Delete, click Delete. And finally, click Contact, click Delete, click Delete. Next, you're going to start building your welcome page. So you're going to click on Build up at the top. Or actually, first we're going to click on Pages and then click on the welcome page. And where it says no header, you're going to click on it and choose Header. Okay, now from here we're going to click on Build up at the top. Alright, next what we're going to do is click where it says My Site, and you're just going to type in the name of your website, so whatever that title is, would go, and that's kind of the title for your whole entire website. So anyway, then what you're going to do is drag a title box into the middle of the picture, and where it says click here to edit, you're going to type welcome. So this is going to be our welcome page. Next, what you're going to do is click and drag a text box to go in the white space underneath the picture. And then what you're going to do is go back over to your copy of the website template, and you're going to click and drag to highlight the welcome or homepage paragraph that you typed out. And then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard. So then next, what you're going to do once you've hit Control-C, it should be copied. You would go back over to your Weebly website and click where it says click here to edit, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. And so then it pastes the paragraph that you just typed out. And then the last thing you're going to do is share the page with your partner. So you're going to click on Settings up at the top. Click on Editors. And then you're going to click on Add Editor. And then from here, what you would do under email, you would type in your partner's email address. Right now I'm just going to type in my own, but you would type in your partner's email address and make sure that it's spelled correctly. And then finally you would click on Save Editor down at the bottom. And that's it.